Okay, today guys, I'm going to replace this cart that I've used for years now. It's a US General as well, but I upgraded to one of these. One of these 5 drawers. They had it on sale this weekend. It's 189 bucks, and when they say that it can probably hold 700 pounds of capacity, they're not kidding. This stuff is heavy. Even the brackets here, very heavy. The casters, solid. I mean, they're super heavy. So I'm going to put it together and let's see how it goes, okay? Follow along. Alright, the first thing to do was to put the casters on. I put the 2 non-swivel casters on the bottom, and then I'm putting the swivel ones. And these are made pretty good. They got grease joints here on the swivel, and the wheels actually have bearings on the inside. I don't know if you can tell, but there's actually bearings, and they are, you know, pretty stout. So, but it's kind of tricky to line these bolts up, even though they're carriage bolts, and to get them to seat. So I'm working on that. The packaging on this also, before I forget, is really well done. I mean, it is packaged very well. So my unit did not have any damage, and you can even tell here that even this lower, they have extra reinforcing. It's double plated here where the wheels go. So it's actually made pretty well. We're gonna put it together. Keep going. Oh, I got all the wheels on now, and we're doing the uprights, and they take the smaller carriage bolts, and I'm just going to hand tighten these, just send them right in, and then the carriage bolt locks it in place. And then on the back side, as it stays right there, just put a bolt on it, and we're just going to hand tighten all this until I get the other pieces on, and then we can actually we can actually align everything before we tighten everything down. Alright, let's try the next part. Alright, I got the cross bracing on, and interesting function is that the long pieces with the tab up goes on top of those, and the bolt holes line up perfectly. Everything, like I said, is just hand tight because I want to make sure everything lines up before I finalize it. So next thing, we're going to put that box on top of this. That ought to be fun. Let's give it a shot. I got the box on, and now we got to attach it, the top mounting, and they give you these brackets to put on the inside so that you can actually scrunch those two together. And so that's what I'm going to do next, okay? Alright, so we're going to put a carriage bolt through. And through that inner bracket, and then tighten those down. And we're just going to hand tighten everything down until I get everything lined up. And they came with 2 lengths of these M8 bolts. The longer ones they wanted to use on the carriage, and I did that. It came in a smaller packet, and then I'm using these shorter ones for pretty much everything else. But so far everything's going together without too many issues, you know. So we'll see how well it goes together. Just gotta pull up a little bit here to get this thing to line up on this one, that one. But so far, very impressed with the quality of build and just the sheer weight of this. So I put the struts on for this top, and then I'm gonna put the other brackets on. We'll tighten it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, it's all together. The wheels in, the handlebars on. I got to put the side holder tray on it. But other than that, I mean, the top comes down. Look at that, huh? It's pretty nice, huh? And it goes up. There you go. Okay, well, there you go. It took a while, though. I mean, this is not an easy assemble, and this is very solid, to say the least. But hopefully it lasts as long as the other one did, and I'm going to get some good use out of it, all right? All right, take care.